Welcome to Millionaire Business Club and Millionaire Business School. Today I bring to you, first and foremost, we'll be doing a whole series of business topics. We're going to be teaching you how to do real business street smart, and it's all brought to you by Millionaire Business Club, sponsored by Portman College. I myself, Ernie Chan, Asia's #1 business coach, will be sharing with you a whole series of marketing plans, marketing strategies, marketing ideas that will be able to help you do very well in your businesses. So today I'm going to talk about marketing first and foremost. A lot of people tell you a lot of different things about marketing. What is marketing really? In layman terms, simply put, marketing is really about understanding what the customer wants. If you're able to know what the customer wants, you don't have to sell them anything, because at the end of the day, you want to pull and draw and attract and appeal the customers to come to you. That's what business is all about. Business is not just about pushing to your customers products they do not want. Marketing is really about understanding what your customer wants and then giving them what they want, so it becomes a lot easier for them to buy from you. Business is all about making sure we satisfy customers' needs, we make our customers happy. And it's all about making sure once our customers are happy, business is continuously growing, and that's what we do with them. So bottom line, what we learn in business, we learn how to do marketing, bring in the business, bring in the sales, we learn how to manage the business, and that's where management comes into place. And finally, once the business is there, we take care of back end, and that's where administration is all about. And that's what business is all about. So you want to learn more about business? Stay tuned for the whole series of marketing strategies and topics that I'll be sharing with you under the banner Business Marketing. See you. Till the next time, I'm Ernie Chan signing off from Millionaire Business School, sponsored by Portman College.